All right. Well, this recording started a little bit late, but you could see to the right, it's up $200. The key thing is making sure that when you enter into a trade, you're close to the dot, so you could see the distance between the dot and the trade, and focus on the power meter once you're in the trade. You don't have to worry about what else is happening. So the power meter is telling us that bulls is developing, bullish weakening, and the bull is 100%. So we accept our stop loss down there and we just let the trade play itself out. And our target is up here. So even though price is trying to move the stop a little bit, even though price is trying to come down, the power meter is telling us that we're still bullish because the power meter is looking ahead. That's why I was comfortable with what I was doing. So that trade ended right there because I moved the stop too soon. So we're looking for another entry into this trade. Another entry always has to be closer to the dot. When it's closer to the dot, you reduce your risk. So the power meter is saying we're a strong bull. Trend is long, so we're still very bullish. So there's no point trying to look for any downside, even though price is coming down. So the parameter is forward thinking, so it's looking ahead on what's going to happen next. So we know as far as the parameter is concerned, we are bullish, we're very bullish, and that's all that matters to the trade. So whether you're trading futures or you're trading options, you always want to buy into your trade closer to the dotted line. So right now, price is trending back upwards. So we're in this trade, been in this trade now. So we caught it right at the right spot and the trade is working out. The power meter is giving us some strong indication, so there is no need for us to panic. All we have to do is just focus on what the power meter is telling us. And based on this, the power meter is showing all green, which is a good sign. All right. So we stay in the trade with no panic whatsoever. Just keep focus on the power meter. You don't have to focus on the chart because the chart is telling you the here and now. The power meter is actually looking ahead and is able to see what is happening later on. We're up nicely on this trade. So the trade is working out. Our target is up there. So we'll see what we can do with it. And the trade is working out. Such a very nice trade. Looks easy, but the power meter makes it easy because it teaches us how to get in at the right spot. So if you're struggling with where to get into a trade, this is something that the tool can help you with. If you're struggling with how to know when it could fail, this is one thing the tool can help you with. And it keeps you in a trade longer. You don't have to panic through it. And it works itself out. As you can see, this is a very good trade on this. What you can see is the futures, the option. Just imagine how much money is being made on this option. So there's money to be made in the market if you just stay focused and stick with it. And that's a solid trade that's just worked itself out. Go to our website, FemyRange.com. Or check out the link below for joining our Discord. Thanks for watching.